our one and only Garba Shehu, he don't blow us. So hey, Garba Shehu, sabi that man at the we be say I they handle all the media stuff. He don't talk say the IPOB people they have strong 5,000 paramilitary what they call them say now they use to destroy everything, to spoil everything. He can't talk one thing say he say he dey shock on top wetin. He dey shock say the Yoruba agitators say they don't dey alliance with the IPOB members say they don't join together to dey fight against the president, against Nigeria. So come talk say that is not good. Why will Yoruba agitators conjoin with IPOB terrorists? Now wetin Garba Shehu talk for him Facebook handle this morning. I ain't be that. He can't talk something. He can't talk say all Nigerians they don't in fact all Nigeria in fact over the world they don't know say IPOB they be terrorists. They go talk say why will Yoruba agitators also join them say the Yorubas they fight for different things. The IPOB people then they kill police, then they rob, then they burn house, and they burn all the offices where they for their states. And they burn them now. Me I come dey wonder say so you know say Yoruba agitators they fight for different things and you they try to kill the person where they fight for them. Right? So you get mind to the tag IPOB terrorists, people will say then they fight for say okay they want make their life better, they want make people life better. You tag them as terrorists. You can't make IPOB and what they call them Yoruba agitators now. You can't make them the headache. You can't turn them to your headache. You can't turn them to the main problem of Nigeria. Ever since you don't arrest the IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu, and ever since they don't arrest this Sunday Igboho, abeg wetin be the positive changes wey don happen to Nigeria in terms of security? No, more you answer me, Garba Shehu. Wetin be the positive changes wey don happen to Nigeria after you don arrest them finish? I know say before you arrest them, they talk say na Sunday Igboho they cause this thing, na IPOB they cause this thing. Now you don't arrest them finish now. Is there peace in Nigeria? People wey be say you suppose to tag terrorists, no tag them terrorists. The bandits, I don't know why you go call people wey they kill. People wey they kill for north, they kill 247, they kidnap, they bomb everywhere, they call them bandits. You can't they call people where they agitate for better things, where they talk say okay they want make life better, they want better life for say they not like the way you they do, they call they protest say the government we want you to do this thing, better things for us. If I not say if the country good, if the president they do better things, if our leader they do better things, there won't be need for IPOB to rise, there won't be need for all this Yoruba stuff to rise. There won't be any need for it. You can't they call them terrorists. I'm not being in support of IPOB or Yoruba stuff, but when we tell ourselves the truth, IPOB and Yoruba agitators are not the problem of Nigeria. Make you not face the problem of Nigeria. This UAE then brought out some list of 6 Nigerians who we say that they sponsor terrorists for this country. You not talk anything about it. Garba Shehu, you not talk anything about it. In fact, the presidency not for our leader talk anything about those lists. They not do anything about them. But you can't make IPOB what they fight for the right of people, the Yoruba people, the Yoruba stuff. You can't make them your headache. But people will say then they sponsor the terrorist stuff. You not do anything about them. You can't do as if say you know do as if say you know see the list. You can't talk say you do surprise say the Yorubas and the Igbos they join hands together to the fight for to the protest against the government, to the protest say they want to separate too. Why won't they join hands together? Why won't they join hands together? Because say you now know the truth but you don't want to talk. These our leaders they sabi the truth but they don't want to talk out. Imagine now. Wouldn't they happen? Imagine they happen now. Insecurity now can't turn to of recent now, the our gallant soldier, I don't know, maybe this now they want turn am to where they call am to regular stuff now, I don't know. Our gallant soldier, our trained gallant soldier now, they still mistakenly bomb some place for Borno for unaware. They bomb the place again with jets. I don't know. They always mistakenly bomb. You talk say and they pursue some bandits and they and when they want to shoot their this thing. How you go? How I don't understand. Every time now mistakenly bomb. Now until you mistakenly kill us finish for this country. Now when you mistakenly kill us finish for this country. I don't know wetin go cost our leaders. I don't know wetin go cause the federal government to negotiate with these agitators. Wetin dem want. Let us ensure say peace reign. Let us fight against these bandits and terrorists to make sure say Nigeria dey great again. Okay, wetin you want to? You want this thing? Okay, you now dey fight for this thing. If for this, okay, let us sit down together for a round table. Let's dialogue. Wetin go cost them? Wetin go cost our leaders for this country? But no, they no do am because they know say. Now where they chop, I ain't be that. They no fit. Jesus Christ, for this country, we say we dey. But you get mind, our leaders, they negotiate with bandits, with Boko Haram, with terrorists, but they no fit negotiate with people, with masses. We carry them vote, we vote for them inside. We they cry say life they hard for them. They no fit negotiate with us. The thing will happen for Lekki Tollgate sef. They say I don't know how many years they won't use judge that case. I don't know how many years. People will say don't die sef. That they don't bury them finish. Those people say don't forget say they die. When you won't come revenge for their deaths. You talk say they view the CCTV. Some talk say no killings. Later they talk say killings day. Can't turn with Nigerians to turn us to game, turn us to chess. In fact, it reach one extent. The federal government say turn we Nigerians to collateral, how they use us to borrow money. Why won't there be agitators to come and say, okay, we don't even want to be passed to be the same thing again? Say everybody won't go their different way. Say okay, make everybody just separate. Why won't they talk say they want to separate? Now imagine waiting ABC they talk on top this money issue. We say they borrow. They talk say the money now for our own good. So which we say now we be the collateral for this country. Gonna use our health to borrow money without seeing the result of the money we borrow for this country. Imagine that happen. Think about it. Federal government, they don't feel negotiate with all these agitators here, IPOB and Yoruba stuff. They don't but then get man to negotiate with bandits Boko Haram. Doctors they on strike. Doctors say they save life, then they on strike. Our soldiers they don't see better money to collect. But our leaders, they share money for house, share big all this big money for house. As you strike now, they strike every month. They don't do anything to do. Don't get anything to do on top it. Why must they talk? Say okay, they don't want to be part of Nigerians again. Why won't they talk am? Why these people no rise up during the time of Yar'Adua? Why they no rise up? Why these agitators no rise up during the time of Jonathan? Why did they rise up? I beg, make our federal government, make our leaders do better things. I beg, call these people, call these agitators. Okay, wetin we now want to? Wetin you want to make we do? No be all this. They get 50,000, they get 5,000 strong admin. Stop tagging them. Stop tagging these people as terrorists. We sabi the terrorists for this country. No be IPOB be our problem. No be Yoruba this thing be our problem for this country. No be them be the problem for this country. No be them. Things they add, economy add, insecurity, everything they do for this country. Everything they do us for this country. Everything they do us for this country. Person never see better food chop. They talk say na IPOB dey. Abeg, my name na MC Top Secret. See you in my next edition. Thank you.